Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 37. Today we are going to create our Crousel, so you can easily understand how can you embed the Crousel inside your project or inside your files. So this is the official bootstrap Crousel. You can embed this Crousels inside your project, or you can use the plugin, the third-party plugin. So don't worry, I'm going to add the third-party plugin when we work on a project, or when we are going to start a project. So first of all, this is your Crousel. Then this is the code of your Crousels. So this Crousel is working. Then I am telling you again, and I told you in my previous lectures again and again, that there are two approaches. First, you have to memorize each and everything, or each and every step, or each and every class, ID, data, write Crousel, or you can see data slide to 0. This is the first approach. And second approach, you can just memorize that where is the Crousel. So you can see we are on the JavaScript sections. If you have remember, or if you have memorized that the Crousel available inside the JavaScript section, so I think this is enough for you, because it's hard to memorize each and every sections, or each and every class, or each and every step if you are working on different type of frameworks or different languages. So copy these sections. For suppose you can just understand that how it's working, so you don't need to worry about the classes and the steps. For suppose now go to your page, refresh the page, it's not working. Why it's not working? Because you have not added any image right now. Okay, so now your images goes here. So first of all, what are these you can see 0, 1, 2. So these are bullets. You can see bullets is not available. First of all, you can add the images. I have images inside my assets. I'm saying assets inside my images folder, and now I'm saying I have ecommerce.jpg image. So copy this image as it is image and paste image here. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have embedded your Crousel. You can click on the links. So you can see these bullets 1, 2, 3. So these are 3 bullets. You can remove this bullet. Now you have 2 bullets. Make sure your bullet starts with 0, because you have 2 items. You can see you have one item. Separate this item with other. You can second item, and now if you want to add the third item, you can copy these sections, you can paste these sections here, and now you can remove these bullets. Okay, so you have third item. First of all, now here you can use the captions. First I'm saying welcome in bootstrap. Copy these sections. I'm saying welcome in PHP. I'm saying welcome in jQuery. Refresh the page. You can see you have now captions, welcome in bootstrap, welcome in PHP, but you don't have the third bullet. It's working fine, and this is your third Crousel, but you need to add the third bullet as well. Okay, I'm saying because it's starting from the 0, so that's why it's 2. refresh the page. Whenever you can hit this bullet, you can see welcome in jQuery. This is the third items. So you can notify that they have the class active. So by default the first bullet is active, so that's why it's working like this. The first bullet is activated. You can change like this. You can active your third. Now you can see you have your third bullet is active, but you have to add the item also active. So you can see you can add also the active class inside your third item. So now you can see you have your jQuery sections, which is your third Crousel, is now activated by default. So in this way you can create your Crousels, and you can see a lot of documentations available here. So go to the bootstrap and you can read the documentation. I don't think so that you have to read each and everything. So in this way you can save a lot of time. So if you are coding from the scratch, like just a second, like you are creating div, you are giving class, and you are giving id, class, data aerials. Now you are creating ol, lis, now you are creating. So if you are working like this, so I think this is very difficult. So what you just need to copy the sections. You just need to paste these sections here, and you can just modify. So by doing this you can save a lot of time. Okay, so now I think this is enough for today. In the next lectures we are going to embed. Okay, I think we have completed the JS sections. So you can also read the official documentations, how they are works. And okay, we have completed all of the things which is required from the JavaScript sections. Now you have learned the component sections. How can you create your components? You have learned CSS and JavaScript sections. So thank you for watching.